Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to upload your image on Link application. So here you can see Linky. So what you need to do, you need to tap here right bottom corner on your screen. It's called a me icon. So simply tap on the me icon, then you can see the option pencil icon, this one. Simply tap here and then you can see upload and generate. So simply tap on the upload, then you have to allow, then you will get all your picture here. So like you can choose your picture. I'm just going to choose randomly, maybe this one. Confirm. So you can see this is upload. So this way you can upload your own picture. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.